Okay, welcome to the quiz 7.1 and 7.2 video. I sent some of you guys to this site so you could hopefully get a little more help on your quiz. Like I told you guys in class today or Friday, whenever you're watching this video, that if you fix any of the questions that you have gotten wrong, that I'll give you credit on Tuesday. I'm going to do a couple questions here, maybe three. I'm definitely going to do three, and then I'll pick a few more, maybe one you have to do the distribution property with, to kind of help you, walk through some of these steps. Now, if you ever have to stop the video, that's why I'm doing that. Stop the video, do 1 and 2 along with 3, whatever you guys can do to try to help you guys out. So let's get started with number 3. I'm going to put my line through so you guys can see that there's two sides. Now I'm going to go through these kind of quick, so if you do have to pause this, that's perfectly fine. So we have our variables on both sides. Our goal is to get all the variables to one side and all the constants or all the whole numbers to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from this side, and I'm going to subtract 2x from that side. Okay? Because I'm bringing the 2x's to the right-hand side, I need to bring this negative 24 to the other side. So I need to add 24 here and add 24 here. Notice my constants are on top of each other and my variables are on top of each other. I can cancel out those constants and I can cancel that part out as well. Now I can just solve. 3 plus 24 is 27. 11x minus 2x is 9x. And now this is 9 times x, so we divide both sides by 9. Okay, so 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1x would be the same thing as x. And then 27 divided by 9 is 3. And that would be your final answer for number 3. Now let's talk about one where you have to actually do the distribution property first. And that's more like, let's say, number 6, where we're going to take the 2 and we have to distribute it out to the x first. So we get 2x. And then we go 2 times this 4, and there's a minus there, so 2 times 4 is 8. This equals, do the same thing with this 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times x would be 3x, and because there's the plus sign in there, we put plus. Just like we did on number 3, we need all our variables to one side, so I'm going to minus 2x here, minus 2x here. I'm bringing it to the right, so I have to bring the constants to the left. So minus 3, minus 3. Our 2x's cancel out. Our 3 and minus 3 cancels out. And this really, you have to think about this as a negative 8 minus 3. Well, negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. And then 3x minus 2x is 1x. And really, because we have 1x, our final answer is x equals negative 11. Okay? The very last one I want to do is towards at the bottom. I promised some people that I would do number 9 very quickly, or number 10 very quickly. So let me do number 9. Because we do have the perimeter here. They give us the perimeter. We have to add all these sides together. So over to the side, I'm going to say w plus 20. That'd be this side plus this side, plus the top, or this side again, w, plus this w plus 20. Remember, this is w here. This is w plus 20 here. So there's side 1, side 2, side 3, and then w plus 20 would be side 4. That equals the perimeter. Whoops, and I'm way off my page. Of 380. Okay? Combine all of our w's, which would be 4w. Combine my 20's, which would be 20 plus 20 is 40, equals 380. Okay? Then from here, you should be able to solve the rest of the problem by subtracting 40 from both sides and then dividing by 4. Now I'm going to move this back up here. And what I want to do now is I want to give you all the correct answers for each one of these problems, but you still have to show me all the steps on how to get those answers. So use the answers that I'm giving you to go through the steps, and if you do end up getting that answer, you knew you did the problem. You know you've done the problem correctly. If not, start that problem back over until you can get the actual problem. Try to figure out how to get those problems. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday morning.